So yes, guys, it's cooking class, and it's pretty hot in cat life. It is pretty hot outside. See that? That is the butcher. Oh my goodness, I really got him. Again. Get up. So there's no sink inside. Is there any secret coins? Any secret coins? We will be checking. I met you. I need to get a good door, but let's do some tasks. Just turn on the light. First, I want to finish the puzzle. I just need a light bulb. Dumb lights. Does that count as lights? Do I just flick them on? How do you flick them on? Oh. Ow. Let me go to the room. Need that butcher. It's closed right now. We need to stop all the food up. Really, we do. Oh my goodness, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, we have to make our new recipe for him. So let's check on our other watch. There's a safe. What does it need to? I need to open it. Yeah. It doesn't open. I just really want to open that. What's the passcode? 8099. Is that the passcode? Let me know. Knocking you over first. Dude, I'm still looking. I'm still looking at you. Just have to go up there. Looking at you. I really am looking at you. Okay, no, I'm not. I am. Knocking that up. Oh, how did that hurt it? I'm gonna keep on looking at it. Look at him. Okay, let's climb. Climb. Does he still see me? No, he doesn't. Let's go to Granny's secret house. Let's go. My favorite. Well, I'm gonna make. I really want to make a secret room. And I don't know what it is. But I'm not trying to copy anybody, but I really want to make a secret room inside the garage. Have a perfect place. So let's try to. What are you doing? Garage! I said, garage! 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 I don't want to make it into a garage. I didn't know if anybody did it. If they did, I'm sorry. I really wanted to. This is my perfect spot. That place is not right there. But I'm going to get some food. We definitely need food. Oh! You want Guys, I'm going to Granny's house. Yes, guys, I'm going to Granny's house. I know. Because I want to, and it's for something. When I'm not grinding over, I could fly. So let's try it. Look, she just got perfect time. Perfect time. Let's see if I could really fly. Hold on, let me get your hand. Woman. That wasn't a good knockdown. Oh no, she's going through the back stairs. But hurry.
You're getting far from me.
Okay, let's go. Maybe if I knock her that it'll work. So in 3, 2, 1. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I have to be straight. Be straight, human. Human can't get her straight. So here's the thing I have to do. 1. Oh, you are hitting me with a pen? Do you want me?
I'm gonna miss you.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you. Oh, I'm gonna miss you.
You'll be flying to the
That was a perfect knockdown. See if we can fly. In your arm. Oh, fly it all the way over here. Get that won't work. Move your other arm. Didn't let me go on the. I hate this. Yeah, I'm just gonna. 1. I'm sorry. Goodness.
You're.
Put it in slow motion. I said, put it in slow motion. No. Now spare no. But let's try to put Granny inside of the fridge. I think this is the perfect. Woohoo! Mad at her. Cause she never does anything. Yeah. I'm afraid of her. Secret room. I need to go to the garage. I said I need to go to the garage. 3, 2, 1, garage. Garage.
Huh? Hey!
Hey! I like how he says, hey! Three, two, one, woohoo! 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 So this is not wait. Let's see if I could grab anything. Like a box or something. If I could find one. Really like them? Like them that much? I think you do. I don't get it. What are you looking at? That is nothing. Go in the garage. I actually don't want to do that. Let's go to the secret room and you guys could see my chores that I get to do. Chores. Chores! 32. That takes longer. This only takes just a second. Okay. Oh no, Granny saw me. Now I have to do my chores. First chore I have to do is cleaning my room. So here's the thing I always do. I'm gonna imagine it. So here's the thing. Woohoo! I wanna go play in my room! Woohoo! 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 I'm going inside my room! Scratch! Balls! Woohoo! I love balls! I like playing with my blood! Yay! Woohoo! That happens all the time. My break happens. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, my favorite red car! Woohoo! Books that I could read. Woohoo! So yeah, that's the mess that I made. Let's jump. Woohoo. Woo. Woo. So here's this. Go clean your room. Fine, I'll go clean my. So here's the thing I have to do. See, my room is very messy right now. First, I'm gonna start with the hardest. Put the books away. Yeah, it's very hard. They always fall off when I'm not knowing. That's what I mean. There's only one book left. Which I'm lucky I'm not putting them all in place because that's even harder. Now, putting the car back. That's not that hard. Putting the blocks. Not that hard. Getting the ball. See, I love getting the ball back in place because it's a bounty. And that's all. Oh no, my next chore is. Let me imagine what I did. Let me go downstairs to eat. Guys, it's lunchtime. Lunchtime, guys. Lunchtime. Lunchtime. Lunchtime, guys. Lunch. Ooh, yay. Let me go wake Sparky up. Sparky. Come on. Or Bebop, I meant. Bebop, come on. Food. Food is over there. Woohoo. Woohoo. Food, food, food. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy. And water! I need my water. I wonder why she doesn't bring it. Blood water. Go, go, go. Now let me put it in the dishwasher. Clean the dishwasher. And she already ate. So let me put this in part of the dishwasher. And these. And then that's how I need to wash the dishes. They're so dirty and yucky. Yeah. Do. And do. Then cleaning one of my bowls. Clean. That's all clean. And clean. All clean. So yeah, that really sucks. Really. That's why I'm putting the dishes away right now. And that sucks too. So sometimes I crash them by accident. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do. Sometimes. And nextly is putting the plants in different plants. I hate that. I need to like do all of them. Sometimes I break the bases. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do, and sometimes I don't. I don't break it. They can try. Don't. And if I do, I'm gonna get in trouble by Granny. Granny's gonna make me do more chores. Oh, no, don't spill. Don't spill. I'm just gonna be turning you to your place. Oh. Is it in? Oh, okay. Go in. The plant right here, and this goes all the way over there. This plant. Then that's done. Then the next thing I have to do is clean the trophies up. But don't worry, it's gonna get even harder. Oh no, I forgot one of my toys. That's or Sparky this. Bebop this. So let me get one of the trophies that Granny really wants me to clean. Oh, this side. Ah, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Right here. There we go. Knock him down. That didn't break. That didn't break. Yep. Both of them didn't break. Yep. Granny's not coming either. So you're gonna ask, how do we clean them? It's kind of easy. I just have to this if I want to, and sometimes I will help. But right now I have to be a nice kitty. But don't worry, I get it. And I washed the other one too. So don't worry. I'm just gonna put these on for now. And she gives me breaks. Right now it's I love watching my shows. And I get very in trouble because I turned the remote up. My favorite, dancing cat. Then I see something's wrong. I see something's wrong with Granny. She says, oh no, I forgot to cook me food and I'm very, very hungry. I don't know where food is. It's not inside of the fridge or anywhere. He doesn't look up that high. She's looking for her fried chicken. But then I hate her so much, I have to give her one. That's how bad I hate her. Ow. Don't worry, I cook it. Then I cook it. Then I go to fix the food. Like I'll put this up. These easy chores too. Then I keep on doing much. I close the fridge. Guess what? I hate the robot too much. This is what I'm gonna do to it. Oh dang. I hate the robot. So this, I'm gonna put him like that. Then make him breathe. Never did that before. Then I'll check the chicken and it's too hot. So I say it's not a problem. I could just give it. I'm gonna cut it up and give it to her. I mean, cats don't know how to cook chicken. Oh. So I'm gonna bring her one. He's actually watching it.
There's that rescue.
I'm sorry that I
You're
cooked it
going to
wrong.
for me.
Then I accidentally hit her. That's very bad. Then I get a little bit of a more break. Then I play. Let me go check. Then I go to check the password. This is where. Check out the password that's right over here. Mark down all the books. Gonna check it's 0426. 0426. I actually mark down the 10. Then I find. Then I mark down the kitty.
You're getting far from me.
Then I go down. Then I have the password. So it's 0426. 0426. Oh, 02. So it's 0426. Yes. Yeah. And then I accidentally broke it. Then I accidentally knocked Granny down. then I go to the secret room that I always love. And I go to the garage. Go to the garage. Yes, I have to do tour. So I trap myself inside of the garage. I just opened it to his size so he could get out. Leaving? Oh, no, you're doing stupid thing again. Oh, okay. I'm frozen.